Hello. So we have seen ngIf, how this directive works. So now we will see star ngFor, another structural directive, and we will see what this will actual work. Okay. So suppose we have some collections. Collection means array, right? We have some items. Okay. These are the items. Now I want to show these item. I want to iterate this array. Okay. Okay. So this is the simple array, and this is little bit complex array. Okay. So I have object, right? Collection of object. Now I want to iterate this. So how I do this? So in simple JavaScript we have for of loop, right? For of and the array name, and using this I can create one local variable, right? Item, and I can access this item, console.log item, right? So this is easy to iterate in the JavaScript. Now, if I talk how you can iterate this array inside the template, inside the HTML, right? Now, the same power has been given by the Angular using ngFor. So how this work? The same ngFor, this will become the ngFor. You will create one item and the your collection name. So let's see how this work inside the template. Okay. So first of all, I show you how our for of loop works, right? So this is our hero, right? And these are the heroes. Some heroes we have. These are the Avenger heroes: Iron Man, Captain America, Thor, Hulk, Spider-Man, right? So if I take these heroes, I clear heroes. Now I want to iterate this heroes, right? How I will do that? So in JavaScript for let, and I have a local name, I give the hero of heroes, correct? And in now I can iterate it, console.log. I just give the separator and console.log and hero name. Okay, hero. So this is the each and every item is iterating, right? This is the simple, right? So in collection iterate we use for of loop very frequently in JavaScript. Now we will do the same thing inside the Angular. So how we'll do that? Let's see. So first of all, we understand what I did in our template. There is nothing, simple h1, and there is ul. I remove this, and this is the heroes, right? So these are the Avenger heroes. They are selected to going on some tour. So these are the names: Iron Man, Captain America, Thor, and other more. And these are the ID respective these hero, and are they going? Are they checked in or checked out? So this is the status. Are they appearing this tour or not? They are going or they are not. So this property about telling about that. Okay. So Iron Man is checked in. Captain America is not checked in, right? He has not checked in. Same, Thor has checked in, Hulk again checked in, and Spider-Man not going. So how I want to show these heroes detail in template, right? How we will do in Angular. So we have very easy way to do this using same for of loop using ngFor directive. So I create first of all li. Okay, means I want to iterate li, right? 5 times because I have 5 heroes, right? So what I will do, let first of all I need to create star ngFor. Okay, star ngFor equal to, and now my local variable hero of heroes. Okay, so this is the hero of heroes. Now what will happen? This will iterate, and every time I will get one hero information inside this li. So I will this will generate 5 li because I have 5 heroes. If you see there in the structure, I have 5 empty li, right? And this is the ngFor binding happening there, right? So now I will get each object inside the li which I can access. How? Like this: hero dot full name. Okay, so this will show hero dot full name, right? If I want to see hero dot id, this will show the id, right? So now I can iterate this array and I can show the information there. So you can see this is the structural directive because it's start from star and it's manipulating our DOM, right? It's playing our document object model, right? So now what I need to do, let's see what we can do more there. So just I remove the hero ID there and I show you one more thing. Suppose I want to give index as well there. So how I will do, I will create another local variable, let I, okay, so let I equal to index. Okay, so this index is inserted by the this inserted by the angular. Okay, so I will do inside the ngFor is going on, and inside the after this loop I have given let local variable and I have assigned the index. So when I will assign this index in this, I what I will get each index from this array. So I will get 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now I have this index. Now I can again do the interpolate there. I, okay, so this is the index and this is the respective hero name. So I got the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is about how we can iterate any collection using ngFor. This is very simple. ngFor let local variable of the collection. You will get every time one collection, one element inside this local variable, right? And if you want this index, what you need to do, just you have to given, right, what, let any variable, what variable you want, you can define equal to and you need to give index, right? So this is about how you will give the index with respective to each element. Okay, now the question again you coming there, why this ngFor is working. So the thing is, this is the easy syntax. Now the thing is, if you want to do using ng template, means how this actually is doing behind the scene. So how you will do that? So you will wrap this inside the ng template plate. Okay, so this is the ng template, control X, and inside the ng templates what's happening, this ngFor is called ngFor of loop, ngFor of loop. So this is the property binding, and inside that you will give your collection name. So collection name is heroes, and for creating this variable you will create more variable. So the syntax is, you will create let dash I equal to index, and you need to give another variable let hero. So this is how this is treating behind the scenes. So I am not going too much depth inside this, but I want to tell you, so there is no confusion. You don't have to think how this property is working with li, right? Because this is not the native property of this li. ngFor is the custom property which is coming from the common module, right? And this common module is included inside the browser module, right? So this is coming from there. So the thing is, this is the property binding. That's why this code is not a string, this is the expression, right? Because if we are doing the property binding, right, using brackets, it's looking the expressions, right, which are might be written inside the class, right? So that's why always remember, these are the easy syntax for you, so you don't have to write these kind of syntax there, and this is happening behind the scene for you. So always remember. So I am going to remove, and we will see how we can make the customize our ng template, and how we will show the information where this is needed in the advanced course. Okay, so right away I am going and I am removing this thing for you. Okay, so this is how we can iterate any collection there. Now the question is, I want to make it more strict, right? How I can do that? So I just create one interface. The interface name is interface heroes. So this is about the TypeScript. So inside it, how many properties is there in heroes? ID, full name checked in. So ID is number type, and second is the full name. I just copy from there. Full name is string type, and the third thing is checked in. This is the boolean type. Okay, so what is the interface? This is telling what is the object structure this hero follows. So we need to tell heroes will be follows this heroes type structure. Okay, so this is the so this hero is the array of this heroes structure. This hero structure will be followed by the item of this heroes collection. Okay, so now what will happen? You cannot give any other property there. If you will give there any property, this will give you the error, right? So you can create interface there, means you can make it more and more strict type, right? So you can give there heroes, and you can make give the heroes and this heroes the collection. Okay, now inside the array you need to write the same the object which follow the same property given inside the heroes interface. So this is the contract between this array and this interface, that this array will contain only these properties inside the object.